What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel's link data type to quickly and easily look up the live beta of different tickers. One thing to note is that it is a fairly new feature in Microsoft Excel, so it might not necessarily be in your Excel sheet just yet. So here we have the top 10 heaviest weighted stocks in the S&P and their tickers. So all you have to do is highlight the tickers, go to data, and then under the data types section is going to be a variety of options. We're going to click stocks. It gives it a second to load. Now we use the keyboard shortcut Alt H O I just to kind of get it a little bit more centered. And then we're going to highlight this again. Click this right here, insert data. And then as you can see, there is a variety of different pieces of data that you can enter. And I'm just going to click beta. And here you can see, here is the beta, and then average, just for fun, average. So interestingly enough, the average beta of the top 10 heaviest weighted stocks in the S&P as of today is 1.2, which market risk being just a beta of 1. So I hope that you found this quick tutorial to be helpful, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Free stock in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.